to turn on spatial sound on Windows 11. Spatial audio is known as 3D audio in Windows 11. So first of all, open settings using the Windows 11 keyboard shortcut, Windows key plus I. Now go to the system and tap on the sound option available there. Next, under output, click on the card that says choose where to play sound. You will now see a drop-down menu with a list of all connected audio output devices. Select the one you want to enable spatial sound experience for, then hit the arrow next to it. Then now scroll down to the bottom and click on the type drop-down menu under the spatial sound section. Finally, select Windows Sonic for headphones as your spatial sound option. As mentioned, already Windows Sonic for headphones is the only spatial audio option available by default on Windows 11 PCs. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.